In this video, we will discuss about properties of materials. We have different types of properties of materials like appearance, hardness, soluble or insoluble, float or sink, and transparency. Let's discuss about second property, that is hardness. When you press different materials with your hands, some of them may be hard to compress while some others can be easily compressed. In order to understand this, take some materials such as stone, a nail, candle, chalk, wood, iron, or any other materials or objects and try to scratch their surfaces. You will find that some materials may be scratched easily and some materials not able to scratch. Those materials which can be easily scratched or compressed are known as soft, and those which cannot be easily scratched or compressed are known as hard. This is all about for hardness. The objective of this video was to know about hardness property of a material.